Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to set up your expense settings in QuickBooks Online. Getting these settings right from the start will save you time and make it much easier to track billable expenses and manage client profitability. First, head over to the gear icon labeled Settings in the top right corner of your QuickBooks Online dashboard. This is your hub for all account configurations. Once you click it, you'll see several columns of options appear in a drop-down menu. From there, select Account and Settings under the Your Company column. This takes you to the main settings area where you can customize how QuickBooks handles everything from sales to expenses. It's where all the important back-end setup happens. Next, click on the Expenses tab on the left side toolbar. This section controls how you track and manage all your business expenses, bills, and purchase orders. It's essential to configure this properly if you want accurate expense reporting or plan to bill clients for reimbursable costs. Now, in the Bills and Expenses section, click the Edit button. This unlocks the settings you need to adjust. There are a few key toggles here that can dramatically improve how you manage expenses. Turn on Show Items table on expense and purchase forms. This helps you track multiple items per expense easily, especially useful if you're buying several things at once or need detailed breakdowns. Next, enable Track Expenses and Items by Customer. This is highly recommended if you bill clients for expenses or want detailed insights into customer profitability. It lets you see exactly how much each client is costing you in real time. If you're on the Plus or Advanced plan, you'll also see the option to turn on Make Expenses and Items Billable. This is essential if you frequently charge clients for reimbursable expenses. For example, if you're a consultant who travels and incurs expenses billable to clients, turning this on allows you to assign those costs directly to clients for invoicing. It streamlines the entire reimbursement process. You can also set payment terms or markup percentages if you charge clients extra on expenses. For instance, you might add a 10% markup to cover processing fees or administrative costs. This gives you flexibility in how you handle client billing. Finally, click Save to apply all the changes. Your expense settings are now configured to match your business needs, making invoicing and expense tracking much smoother. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.